So this is Candy Red Wrap, which I'm just trying. I don't want to paint it in case I don't like it. But I think I do like it, so next year it'll probably get painted in this colour if I can find it, Candy Red. Well, as you can see, the engine's gone red as well. I've been trying to get a proper dyno video done, but the problem I've had for years is this mega squirt tripping out due to earth spikes. So I finally had enough of it controlling the ignition. So all that side of it's been ripped out, and I've now got a two-part distributor. This is where the points, electronic points are. There's two sets of points in there. So one trigger per bank, and then there's one 5-way distributor per bank. And I've covered up all the spark plug leads and caps. They've all been changed to PTFE to stop sparking and stuff. These are the new resisted plugs. On the last video there was a load of clutch slip from the centrifugal clutch, so that's all gone. It's now got a triple plate hydraulic clutch setup. This is the master cylinder, which is a modified cycle brake cylinder. And that's the triple plate clutch. But that's all taken forever and I've run out of time now, so I'm going to do an interim video, this one, and then try and get a proper nice dyno video in before Christmas. I've just run out of time at the moment. I need to do other stuff. So I managed to get hold of an old impeller, and I designed it all around that. I mean, it's probably not its most efficient. I've not gone right into scroll shapes. This is just a rough thing just to see if I can get it to work. Or get any boost out of it, I mean. It does give some useful boost, I think 4 or 5 psi maybe. That's running at 55,000 and it's drawing about 40 amps, so it's not going to be working very long, just at wide open throttle. Yeah, I'm not sure how I'm going to control this supercharger motor either, because I've got no channels left on my radio gear. So I don't know if there's a way of switching this on just with a micro switch or something. And there's a little blow off valve, hopefully to make some psst noises. Probably won't work though, that's not piped in yet. Well, nothing is at the minute. This is all just a bit of conduit. And I've not managed to sort that out yet. And this big heavy silencer is now gone, so I've now got two straight through pipes. There is an X pipe further up. But I quite like the look of it without the silencer on. It's very noisy though, it sounds like a dragster. So just for running in the shed, I just slip these two silencers on. They're reasonably effective. I'll run it with and without in a minute. And then for the fuel mapping, I can do that. And these two pipes go straight into the extractor.